Rave Netflix, how to use. So here's Rave app, and you just tap plus icon in the bottom right, and here you can find Netflix. So just go to Netflix, and then from here you need to sign in with your Netflix account. And then it should start working. However, from like few days ago, it stopped working with Rave. People have signed in error and just can't sign in to Netflix, and it's just not working, and people can't enjoy Netflix on Rave app. So you're not alone if you have this issue. I don't know whether this is an issue from the Rave app or this is an error from the Netflix. Like Netflix is just blocking all access to all to watch Netflix in other apps. So maybe Netflix is just blocking it. We just don't know yet the details. But overall, Rave app can be quite glitchy sometimes. So maybe this is like an error on the Rave app side. So maybe you can try out in a few days or a few weeks, because still Netflix is available in the list of services. Rave app didn't remove it. So hopefully this bug will be fixed soon.